Hi guys, my name's Eric from Clear Creek RVs. I wanted to give you a tour of the 296 RDTS Grand Design Reflection. First thing I want to touch on is the unobstructed pass-through storage. You look inside, you got to pass through all the way through. Plenty of storage for any of your needs that you're going to have. Even if you get tired of the kids, you can throw them in there and shut it, have some peace and quiet. On the other side, we're going to have your ports for your outside shower. Right here, you've got your plug that you hook your hose up to, your hot and cold water. Then you've got your plugs for your city water, fresh water. And then if you look right here, there's a port for your city water, so you don't have to leave this open. This beautiful RV here has this awning that's going to be very protective for weather. You can bring your cooker or your grill, have your camp table outside. If it gets a little rain, you can still be protected by all the elements. All right guys, come on in. Let's check out this beautiful RV. Dinette table here actually converts into a bed as well. So if you have people over, you've got storage there, but it also has plenty of space to load up your friends to enjoy a dinner party. Storage above, plenty of that as well. One thing that I love about the Grand Design RVs is that they plan for storage. Plus you have your underneath lights, so if it is nighttime, you can have a little bit of a lit area, romantic dinner or anything like that. Over here we have the sofa that is actually a recliner that is sort of entertainment themed, because right behind you could sit here and you have your TV that you can watch with sound system as well. And so you can enjoy a nice, comfortable time. It's got the pull for the recliners, so you can just recline back and watch. Of course, you're gonna have your USB plug beside here, so if anybody wants to charge their phone while they're watching TV, who are we kidding? We're all gonna have our phone while we're watching TV, right? Next thing I'd like to show is the TV. And the TV does come out and it swivels. So if you are at the table eating, watch TV. Kitchen area, small oven, and you're gonna have your stove top with your splash guard, and your splash guard actually does work. It's gonna keep it from getting on the window glass, anything like that. Then we have our microwave, which is going to be just a regular, not a convection, but a regular microwave, because you have your oven. Deep sink, which is always good, so it's going to keep from getting water everywhere. On the end here, you have your cabinet that you can just drop it down, so you have your space here as well. All right, leaving the sink area here, we're going to come over to our fridge, where it's our double door, your freezer and refrigerator. This is a large fridge for an RV. I love that it's got the trays at the bottom. You even have your little ice tray that you can do. I mean, how cute is this, right? I'm gonna go down the hallway here, and the cool thing I like about this is it has motion lights on the floor in the entrance in the bathroom. And if you look down here, it's got a light on right there, so when you walk in at night, you're not gonna stub your toe or anything. As you can see, I'm inside the shower here. I'm 6 foot tall, and I still have plenty of room to move around with all your things that you're gonna have. You're gonna have your soaps and shampoos here. You have your toilet down here, your sink, your cabinets. They have plenty of storage space. If you look up here, we're gonna have plenty for your towels, wash rags, anything like that. And then over here, anything that you're gonna need as far as like your deodorant, toothpaste, and all that. So they've planned this out pretty well. Storage drawers there as well. And believe it or not, this is a nice size sink. It's not one of the little ones that you might find somewhere else. Oh, hey guys, come on in here into the bedroom. Let's take a look. Here, you've got your storage on both sides of the bed. You can put that there. You got your 110 plug on both sides too. So if you have a CPAP machine, you can plug it in and work it there. Plenty of storage. Cabinets on that side, up here, and over here. Inside is a washer and dryer connection, so you can have your washer and dryer. All of these are magnetic cabinets, so you don't have to worry about them opening when you're traveling. They won't break. Storage underneath the bed. Reading lights, of course, underneath. Coming over here, we have the closet. It's the main closet. I know we have other spaces there, but this is where you're gonna have your hangers and your deep storage there. And then here too, another hanging closet with storage. And then below, you have all your drawers. Of course, your socks, all that good stuff here, but there's 6 of them there, so that's a lot of storage as well. This thing is fully equipped, ready to go on the road.